Hello friends, you all are welcome back again to my channel, and here is another beautiful DIY from Joieblissconcepts. As you can see, I am putting on an African print turban and matching earrings. But in today's video, I'll be showing you how I made these lovely earrings, and in another video, I'll be showing you how I came up with the turban. So if this sounds like what you love, kindly watch this video to the end and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. And if you're a returnee, I always do appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video. The materials needed for this tutorial are my leftover fabric, matching thread and needle, measuring tape, earring hooks, pliers, hoops, fabric glue, and of course my scissors. The size of these earrings totally depends on you. You may choose to make it small or medium or large. But for me, I think I prefer it to be of a medium size. So the measurement for these earrings are 4.5 inches by 13.5 inches. Although you can manipulate yours, you can decide to use 16 by 5, 10 by 4, you can just choose whatever measurement that works fine for you. So just to be sure of what I did, I remeasured it. So that's about 13.5 inches by 4.5 inches. And these two pieces of fabric are of the same measurements, okay? So what I'll be doing is to thread my needle, and when I was done doing that, I folded one piece of the fabric into two on the right side. But before I started doing my running stitches, I noticed that it was too wide, okay? It was too wide. So what I went ahead to do was to take out about 1/2 inch from this fabric. I didn't just do it for only one piece. I just aligned the two together so I could cut out this 1/2 inch out. But the truth is, some persons can even go ahead to use this fabric this way, but to me, I just felt it was too wide, so I just marked about 1/2 inch and then I cut it out. So that means I used 4 inches width of fabric. Hope you guys understand. So when folded into two, it was about 2 inches. Okay, so initially I said 4.5 inches by 13.5 inches, but after taking out this 1/2 inch, so it will be 13.5 inches by 4 inches. Hope that makes sense. I grabbed my needle and thread and I did running stitches from one end to the other end. Mind you, when doing these running stitches, you don't need to back stitch because you will still have to pull the thread to form gathers. Okay, so just do it just the way it is. And your stitches need to be evenly done. What that means is that your running stitches should be accurate. If you prefer to use a sewing machine, why not? You can go ahead to make use of your sewing machine to do these running stitches, but I just wanted to make use of my needle and thread. Yeah, more like a break from sewing machine. So when I was done doing the running stitches, I just pulled the thread and I was using my hand to adjust the gathers. As you can see, I wanted it to lap, like form two steps. So I was pulling the thread, and when I was satisfied with the shape, I just tacked it at the center. Very easy. So the same thing I also did for the other piece. Okay, Then I also knotted the thread when I finished tacking it. I did it like 3 times. So this is more like a partially ready earring. So I repeated the same step for the other one, and this is the result. So when you want to do the second one, you make sure you place the two together so that one is not bigger than the other. I did something here. Carefully watch, guys. I didn't have hoop, although I have it, but I didn't know where it was as at the time of making this video. So there was this chain I kept somewhere. I just converted it to hoops. So what I did was just to like pull out two that I'll be using in place of the hoops that you know. I bored hole through the fabric. I did it in a way that it picked 2 layers for better results. I got the hoop, I opened it up and passed it through the hole that I bored. Then before I closed it, I put the earring hook, as you can see. I'm so sorry that I couldn't show that part because the camera was not in focus when I was doing it. Maybe when I make another earring, you will see it. Yeah. So that was what I did. After I passed it through, I used my plier to close everything so it doesn't come out. For extra beauty, I went ahead to embellish these earrings with my embellishment. Although this is optional, I just wanted to go a little extra to make these earrings very beautiful. So guys, this is the end result. This is amazing. So beautiful and stylish, and it doesn't really weigh much. In fact, it's almost weightless. So for those thinking, oh, it's too big for my ears, no, this is just okay. I would love you to give this DIY a try and let me know your experience in the comment section. See you all in my next one, and once again, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and then kindly comment, share and like this video. Bye.